Our team, the GLP medications have been in the headlines again. Both Eli Lilly and Novo have introduced their oral medications. This has been something that's been pending for a long time. Oral medications for the GLPs are not new per se, but in the past they were not as effective as some of the injectable GLP medications. They both have completed phase 3 trials. They both have submitted them to the FDA. A couple interesting things is both of these oral medications will be a little bit closer in effectiveness to the original Ozempic, not necessarily the Zepbound or tirzepatide or Mounjaro in terms of the dual agonist. The other thing that's going to be interesting to see is that, do you really have to take it every day to see that effectiveness? So I think a lot of things pending, but definitely for some of our patients that have been a little injectable phobic, this might be a good option. So super excited to see that continue to expand. And then of course in 2026, we'll probably see the Triple G, another triple agonist GLP weight loss medication. So a lot of things coming your way. Super excited to share a little bit with you guys. We'll see you. Bye.